Hello friends, welcome back to the channel AK Gardening Passion. Friends, it's nearby 455 views of all the videos in my channel and 442 minutes watch time at the time of publishing this video. So friends, thank you all for watching the videos and liking it. Definitely friends, the number are small but big for a start of new thing. So friends, today's video is on the king of flowers in summer season. It's bougainvillea plant. Friends, it is very common plant and easily available everywhere. It is an ornamental plant which has thorns, but it is very hardy plant. It is available in vines as well as in bush or tree variety. So it can be used as a climbers also. Friends, it is available in green with dwarf variety and variegated variety and also with small leaves variety. Friends, if you want vibrant colors in your garden and you want low maintenance plant, then bougainvillea is a plant which is best for you. The colors of bougainvillea are vibrant colored and available in many colors like red, pink, yellow, orange, white, purple and many more shades of these colors. So friends, let us see what are the conditions required for bougainvillea plants growth. So friends, talking about the soil requirement for bougainvillea plant, it should be well draining soil. So friends, if you want to grow this plant in container, the potting mix should be well draining, as this plant requires very less water and it is drought tolerant. The recipe of potting mix for bougainvillea is 30% coco peat, 30% of garden soil, 30% of sand and 10% of compost. So the compost, it might be vermicompost or cow dung manure. So friends, mix well these contents and add it in the container or a pot. Friends, if you want to plant this bougainvillea plant directly in the land, then the leveling of area should be done so that the water will not remain stagnated. Nextly talking about the propagation of bougainvillea plant. The propagation of bougainvillea plant is done by cuttings, as this plant only produces flowers but no seeds or fruit. So friends, choose the area of the plantation and bring cuttings priorly. The cuttings should be taken from mature branch of length up to 6 to 9 inches and remove the leaves and flowers if present on that cutting. Friends, you can use rooting hormone, then dip the bottom of cutting in rooting hormone and plant in the area. Friends, do propagate these cuttings in rainy and winter seasons. Within 2 weeks there will be new shoots development on the stem. Friends, talking about the water requirements for this plant. Friends, as this plant is drought tolerant, so it requires very less watering frequency. But if you water them fully at a time. In rainy season there is no need of watering. In winter season, water them 4 to 5 times in 1 month. Then in summer you can water them twice a week depending on climatic condition, but water them in summer, as summer is the blooming or flowering season of the bougainvillea plant. Friends, talking about the light requirements for bougainvillea plant, the plant requires full sun of 6 to 8 hours and at least 6 hours to and at least 6 hours of full sun to produce bulky flowers. But if kept in shade, the plant will produce very less or no flowers. If placed in full sun, the colors of the flower will be vibrant and fresh. But if kept in shade, the color of the flowers will be dull. Friends, if you live in a warm regions or areas where the plant will get full sun, then the plant will bloom fully, as plant loves sun and the heat. Friends, the plant in this video is my bougainvillea plant. I have bought this from nursery and cultivated in the pot, and I have kept this pot in my terrace garden, which is adding a purple pink color to my terrace garden in this summer season. The plant is 1 year old plant, but according to its age the growth is not there, as there was weed formation. Then I have removed the plant and replaced the soil, and see now how it is blooming. Friends, talking about the fertilizers requirement for bougainvillea plant, as such no more fertilizers are required for this plant. Friends, I am using all organic fertilizers, so you can use cow dung manure, neem cake or vermicompost, or you can use liquid manure by spray or adding directly to the plant 3 to 4 times in a year, and water them thoroughly after adding and feeding the plant with fertilizers. If you use the chemical fertilizers, then add 19-19-19 or make spray of NPK at every 2 months. Friends, talking about the diseases, there are no much diseases, only the flies can eat the leaves of this plant, and one thing is root rot by overwatering. Friends, you can make spray of neem oil every 1 month if the plant is small, you can spray it. Friends, the pruning and cutting is very much important for this plant, as you can give a bushy shape for this plant and train the plant for shapes and climbing. If you want the plant to be kept in bushy shape, then regular trimming is required to maintain the shape. Hard pruning is to be done, then do it in winter months, then the plant will start blooming in early summers. Maintenance of this plant, the plant has leaf fall, so cleaning of the area is required. And if the pot or container has root bounding, then you can cut off the excess roots and transfer the plant in little big container, but it should be done in rainy season. Friends, if you have planted the dwarf variety and have made a bush, then only trimming is required instead of pruning. So friends, some tips for growing bougainvillea plant. Tip 1. Select full sun area or place or plant the bougainvillea plant where there is 6 to 8 hours of full sun. Tip 2. Use proper well-draining potting mix in the container gardens. Tip 3. Water the plant fully at a time and as explained in this video. Tip 4. Use minimum fertilizers. Tip 5. Do regularly trimming if you want to maintain the shape of the plant. So friends, add the bougainvillea plant in your gardens as a climber nearby your balcony, as a bush in your garden. Add this plant in terrace garden, in hanging baskets or as a bonsai. Friends, the bonsai of bougainvillea can be done and looks fabulous. Friends, this plant looks very nice in rock gardens. You can also train the plant with any iron rod made shapes. Friends, I have tried to cover all important points in this video. If some points are left, then you are welcome to add more in comments. So this was all about bougainvillea plant. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and